Want your iPhone to sound louder? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to safely increase your max volume step by step. First, use the side buttons to turn the volume all the way up while you're playing something with sound. Now open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, and slide the ringtone and alert volume all the way to the right. Make sure Change with Buttons is turned on, so your side buttons control overall volume instantly. Next, open Control Center and drag the volume bar all the way up until it's completely filled. That's your basic max volume set. Now let's unlock a few hidden settings that can make everything sound louder and clearer. In Settings, tap Music or Apple Music, then go to Audio or Audio Quality and make sure Sound Check is turned off for maximum loudness. On newer iPhones, open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then Headphone Safety, and turn off Reduce Loud Sounds if you want higher maximum volume. If you use headphones, choose Headphone Accommodations and try Balanced Tone or Brightness to make dialogue and details stand out. For speakers, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Audio and Visual, and turn mono audio off so stereo sound feels wider and fuller. Finally, make sure your speaker grills are clean and the case isn't blocking them, so you actually hear that extra volume. Now you know how to safely maximize your iPhone's volume. Save this video and share it with someone whose phone is always too quiet.